How you doing? This is Christian with Top Line Roofing. Today we're here at 2 Augusta Street, Wrightstown, New Jersey, about to do a attempt to repair. As you can see, this shingle has a crease for wind damage. I will be replacing with a new piece of shingle. I was able to take this piece off. Now I will be installing a new piece. So this is one of the things. This shingle was too big. What that means is I have to cut it in order for me to install the So since it's bigger, wider, and it's also higher, I have to cut a little bit. Or what I gotta do is I have to take these nails off from here. As you can see, I just finished doing this. I just finished replacing this piece that was damaged due to the wind. It had a big crease across, and you can see how we damaged this piece because the roof is too brutal to just repair it. You can see this crease going across, one at the bottom, another one here, and you know, same thing here. And we also damaged this one due to because this shingle was too big, and I had to take these nails off so I can slide it in. And look at these creases, how it got damaged. So this roof is not repairable.